Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. I hope you are watching all the amazing videos of the chapter on fractions. I have already put up 3 different videos and I told you equivalent fractions and then simplifying fractions and then finding the fraction of a whole number. Those are basic things. And now comes the important part. I will start with the mixed numbers. So whenever mixed numbers are there, I don't know why, but students feel little uncomfortable, perhaps because they don't understand the logic behind mixed numbers and improper fractions. So I'm going to simplify this for you in this video, and you are going to be very quick in handling the mixed numbers after you watch the video. So what is the title of the video? We have converting the mixed numbers to improper fractions. Now sometimes that is required. When you have to do simplification or multiply the mixed numbers, you have to convert them to improper fractions. This video is a part of chapter number 5, art of manipulating the fractions of the PDF format of ebook of short tricks, and this actually is very important for cracking the competitive exams, whether at school level, college level, or at professional level. So if you want a copy of 350 such tricks which make you smarter and help you calculate 10 times faster, you need to send me a message on WhatsApp. This is the WhatsApp number 9896369963. All these details are given in the description of this video, below the video as well. So friends, can we see the concept in hand first and start from the concept? That is important, because once you understand the concept, you know what you are doing in the trick. So when I have a number like 21 upon, say, I'll take an easy number, say 4. Okay, now it's an improper fraction, right? Because the numerator is greater than the denominator. 21 is greater than 4. So you can actually write it as a decimal which does not contain 0 point. It will contain some whole number, right? Because 21 divided by 4 will be, the value will be more than 1, right? So when you divide 21 by 4, you will get 4 5s are 20 and you will have 1 as the remainder. Now I hope you understand how division works. Like the dividend 21 will be equal to the divisor multiplied by the quotient 4 times 5, and then add the remainder to that. You get this is the verification of division, what we do, right? Now to express 21 by 4 as a mixed number, start with the quotient. So quotient is 5, then take the remainder, and remainder upon divisor, this gives you the fractional part, that is 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 will be the mixed number representation of 21 upon 4, which is a improper fraction, right? So basically, what we are doing here is, you have this dividend, this is the dividend, and this is the divisor, right? So you want to express it like this. When you divide dividend by divisor, you express the mixed number as quotient. This is quotient 5, 1 which is the remainder, and upon divisor. Divisor is 4 itself. So quotient, remainder upon divisor, that is the mixed number representation. So this is the concept of the trick, and let me show you some examples and how quickly you can find the mixed number equivalent of an improper fraction. Let's see the first question. 2 6 by 11. Now I told you in 2 6 by 11 you have this as the quotient. So I'll just mark it here just to tell you that this is the way you have to do remaining questions. 6 is the remainder and 11 is the divisor. Now how do you write the fraction? You will always multiply the divisor and the quotient. So divisor times quotient and add the remainder to that. This is what you do, right? So this is what I am going to do now. So we have divisor 11, quotient 2, 11 into 2, and then plus the remainder is 6, right? And you have the divisor as 11, so 11 will retain its place. So this is what I am doing actually to find the dividend. So when you are expressing in terms of a mixed number, you are actually, what you are doing is you are using dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder only. So to convert this into an improper fraction, you have this 22 plus 6, which is 28, and divide by 11. Now this becomes the improper fraction equivalent of 2 6 by 11. Likewise, you can have so many questions. See, 6 9 by 13. So what did I tell you? This is divisor times this is quotient plus this is remainder, and divide that by the divisor itself, 13. So you will have 13 6 are, this is 78 plus 9 over 13, and your answer for the question will be 87 over 13. Now if you divide 87 by 13, you will get 6 as the quotient, 9 as the remainder, right? So let's quickly get through the video, and we will have some big questions here. 14 15 by 17. Now the divisor is 17. In the denominator you will have the divisor itself, multiply by the quotient, which is 14, and add the remainder to that, which is 15. So this gives us 14 7 times is 98, 8 9 carry, 14 1 times is 14, 23. So 238 plus 15 over 17, and your answer for the question will be 253 upon 17, and that is the improper fraction of this mixed number. Likewise, 10 11 upon 23. 10 11 upon 23. So 23 will be the obvious part in the denominator, the divisor. Start with the divisor only, multiply by the quotient 10, and add the remainder 11 to that. So you get 230 plus 11 upon 23, giving you 241 over 23 as the improper fraction of this mixed number. Likewise, let's see this 20 16 by 17. 17 is the obvious divisor. Start with the divisor, multiply it by the quotient 20, and add the remainder 16 to that. You get 340 plus 16 upon 17, which is 356 upon 17, improper fraction. One more, 17 19 by 21. So start with the denominator 21, and the numerator also contains the first number as 21 only. Multiply by the quotient 17 and add the remainder to that. Now I have to do 21 times 17. So I should know 17 times table. 17 ones are 17, 7 1 carry, and then the 35. 357. So 357 plus 19 over 21, and 357 plus 20 is 377, 376 over 21, and this is the improper fraction of the given number. So this is how you convert the mixed numbers into improper fractions, and very important video for all the students who are actually learning to get into fractions, because fractions they create so much of trouble when you do higher calculations in class 9th and 10th, and that's what we want to avoid, confusions in the higher calculations. So friends, if you like this video, do share it with all the school students. If you are a maths teacher, please share it with all your students so that they can feel comfortable with the concept and then apply it to solve the questions. Do subscribe to our channel, Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts, and do not forget to hit the bell icon. This is really important. So along with the subscribe button, you need to click this and click all notifications to stay updated with all the uploads on the channel. So practice this method and let me know, did it work for you? All the best.